Okay, today I want to talk to you about stance. Now there's two stances, regular and goofy. And all stance really means is what way you're facing while you're riding. Either your left foot is in front or your right foot's in front. If you're regular, your left foot's in front of the board. And if you're goofy, your right foot's in front. There's no right or wrong. They're both good. That's it. Okay, so since there is a nose and a tail on the board, and you have 2 feet, there's 4 different ways to ride the board. So there's your natural stance, which is just how you ride. Then there's Nollie, switch, and Fakie. Fakie would be your back foot's still on the tail, but you're going the reverse direction. So now your back foot is in front. Switch is just opposite to whatever stance you ride. So if you're regular, switch stance would be goofy. If you're goofy, switch stance is regular. Nollie is if you're riding regular, but then put your front foot all the way on the nose. So you're riding on the nose. So since there's the 4 positions, every trick has 4 different ways of doing that same trick. So you can do 4 different ollies. Regular, switch, Nollie, Fakie. I know these stances get kind of confusing, but the more you do them, the more they'll make sense. So just go out there and skate and try all of them. They're all fun.